here's how to make a Rob Roy, the almost forgotten Scotch classic. What you're going to do, you're going to take an empty glass, of course. Nick and Nora's work perfect, Coops are also good. Whatever stem glass you can get your hands on, fill that with cubed ice. Right, give it a little stir, that's just going to get that ice really covering the glass. This is just to chill it, so don't worry. Put that to one side for a minute, grab yourself a mixing glass, and this is where we're going to build our drink. You want some good quality Scotch, single malt, blended, doesn't matter, it's your preference, just grab a good one and pour in 50 millilitres of that Scotch straight into the mixing glass. Coming up second, we're going to have some sweet vermouth. You want to go in with about 20 millilitres of sweet vermouth. This is going to balance beautifully. And finally, we're going to go with the bartender sauce. What is it? You know, it's Angostura bitters. Just a couple of dashes of these make a massive difference. For this here Rob Roy, we're going to do 1, 2, 3 dashes. That's really going to help our cocktail become aromatic. Okay? Top that mixing glass with cubed ice. You want to top it right to the top, so plenty of ice is going in there. And then we're going to give it a stir. How long do you stir it for? That's up to you. In a professional setting, just till it's diluted to the top of the glass, I would say something like 50% dilution, but for yourself, it's your own preference. I reckon pretty strong. I mean, how long have we been stirring for now? I'm going to say about 10 seconds. That should be absolutely plenty. So once you're done, you can now get ready to serve. Grab your glass from before that's been chilling, dump out all the ice we put in it. Oh, one ice stuck in. Get rid of that, that's just a sign that it is nice and chilled. Cold, we want it really cold. So grab a julep strainer, which is this kind of slotted spoon. Use that to strain your drink out right into your Nick and Nora, and then we are ready to garnish it. Some people go with cherries. Me, I'm going to recommend going with an orange. Absolute classic. Gonna add those kind of citrusy, zesty aromatics to your drink. So just peel that right over the top. Try not to get too much pith. And then all we're going to do is we're just going to give it a little bit of a twist around the top of the drink, express those oils, and then we're just going to plonk it right in. Like so. That's how simple it is. That right there is your Rob Roy. Ready to go, ready to enjoy. I'm gonna have a little taste of this. See what I think. Lovely little drink. Delicious, delicious. Chef's kiss. That'll do.